Alright, so grease is hot and we're ready to go. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take a mozzarella stick and we're gonna dip it in the what? In the egg. Alright. Then we're gonna dip it in the flour. Alright, cover that up.
Do it.
Then we're gonna dip it in the egg again. The egg again, alright? And then we're going to dip it in the chips. We're gonna try the Doritos first.
Yes.
Spicy Doritos. Make sure we get it right.
Yeah. Get it all covered so I can eat it good.
It'll be crispy. Alright, so we got that going on right here. No, we can't see. You gotta get up. Alright, move the chips out of the way. Alright. So everybody, gotta get it nice and saturated. Crunchy.
Crunch it up.
This is what we have. Then we're gonna put it in the grease. Oh!
Oh my God! That scared me. Okay, that scared me. That's why I had to jump down. It scared me.
We'll do another one.
Yeah.
The egg batter first. Then we're gonna do
Put it into
flour, and we got regular string cheese.
Yes.
Nothing major.
Nothing different.
Alright. Regular all-purpose flour. Dip it in the egg again.
Yeah, dip it in the egg again. Make sure you have to cover it all up good. Cause it'll be good. There's some chips and then you have to cover, you have to cover up the whole thing.
Dip it in the chips again.
Yeah.
Ooh, looking good.
Yeah, looking really good, Daddy.
Roll it around a little bit.
Yeah.
Make sure you get a pot holder and everything, so you don't burn yourself. Let it cook a little bit.
Make sure your son don't burn yourself, and make sure, or your daughter or something.
That's true.
Don't let them burn themselves.
Gotta be careful, right?
You have to be very careful. And sometimes don't let them put their hand over it or do anything.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
I had a heart attack.
That was called a little run attack. Hey, what you running for?
It's scary.
We got one done. Oh!
Yeah, we got one done.
Probably a little overcooked a little bit.
Hey, don't do it. It's scaring me.
Then we got another one done.
Yes, we got another one done.
Ooh, it looks cheesy.
Yeah, it
All
looks really cheesy.
All right. Now, once you get a pot holder, put that to the side.
That was alright. Except I jumped down a little time.
Because it got a little, scary.
Scared. Yeah.
Then we're going to roll another one. This is going to be a onion one, all right?
It might smell burnt because it's kind of burnt.
I don't think they can smell on the rug.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, they can't smell it.
That's what some people do, but I didn't really mean that.
Right, because you can't really smell from video, right? But you can.
Because it's the phone.
Because of the video.
Because it's...
They're not here.
Because they're not here, it's not real.
Back in the batter.
Yeah, back in the egg.
In the egg. All right.
Not the batter.
The egg. All right.
Sorry, he's getting confused.
A little bit.
But sometimes we cook a lot with my dad. My dad cooks a lot.
I love to cook. This is with the chip, with the jalapeno chip.
Jalapeno
Chip.
And Daddy, don't try to do it don't try to do it scary, okay?
Okay, I'm not gonna try to scare you. Believe me, the first time,
Yeah.
my hands got wet, and when I reached in, it made it sort of,
It's kind of scary, but my heart was beeping so fast because it scared me. It really scared me.
Okay, I see you jumping down again. You a little scared?
Yeah, I'm kind of a little scared because I don't want it to happen.
All right. Let's take a look at
Scaring me.
the first try at this situation. The first try. All right.
Yeah.
Let's try it.
I'm kind of a little scared, so.
You kind of a little scared?
So.
All right, here we go.
Sun, black.
You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Here is the first one.
Yeah, the first one. Ding. And then.
You want to try it or want me to try? Who's going to try it first?
I am.
Okay. A little bite. Yeah! What do you think?
It's good.
Let me try it.
That's kind of hot.
Let's go.
It's good.
You want to try a few more? And we'll
Yeah.
come back and show you the rest of them, okay?
But I wish you can be here because it'll taste really good.
Right. You want to take a word for it right now.
Yeah.
Boom. And
Boom.
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 Goodbye.